Please kindly introduce yourself, sir, and tell us on what capacity were you involved in the 2023 Ugborhen Community Development Committee elections.
My name is Okakoro Godwin Atose, JP, the Omamoriemi of Okwe Kingdom. I am an indigene of Ugborhen Town in Ugborhen district of Saple local government. I was appointed the chairman of the Electoral Committee to superintend the 2023 December 2nd Ugborhen UCDC elections. I was appointed along with some other members of the committee, about 6-man committee, and this appointment was done based on the constitution of Ugborhen community. The most elder man of the community, which is the eldest man of the community, and members of the Elders Council are charged with that responsibility by the constitution of Ugborhen community. And after being appointed, we went to work. We conducted an election, and a president emerged. After the election, some aggrieved persons went to court, and they took me, the Electoral Committee, and the man who won the presidency to court, Saple High Court. The court decided that election of the president is not valid because he was not qualified. But the Electoral Committee was properly constituted, and whatever they did is in line with the constitution. So the court heard that the Electoral Committee work was okay, but because the president was not qualified, they disqualified the president. On the strength of that, the president took an appeal to Court of Appeal Asaba. The appeal was recorded. The Court of Appeal transmitted, and every other legal processes were concluded. The people who took the president to court that he was not qualified from his quarter, Udomogbako, also appealed, what we call cross appeal, appealing the decision of the High Court where judgment was given to them that the president was not qualified, that the Electoral Committee too, that the court heard that they were duly constituted, they were questioning it, and yes, their appeal is pending. So it's a cross appeal. As I speak with you, the appeal has been listed for hearing on the 7th of April, which is next Monday. The appeal is coming up. But surprisingly, I heard this judgment has since been appealed. A mere appeal, an appeal number has been given. Talk less of this case. The matter is slated for hearing on the 7th of this month. It's a restraining order itself. But we also filed in the appeal court for stay of execution. All these ones will be collapsed together on the 7th, and they will take all of these various motions on the 7th year. So I do not know where they are coming from. We have court of competent jurisdiction in this country. High Court, Delta State, is a court of competent jurisdiction. Federal High Court is a court of competent jurisdiction. Court of Appeal is a court of competent jurisdiction, and we have the Supreme Court. If a case starts from the High Court, the man, whichever party that is not satisfied will go to Appeal Court. And even if you are not satisfied at the appeal, you go to the Supreme Court. It is only at the Supreme Court you rest that matter. And legally it's called res judicata. You now rest the matter. But in this case, we are still at the process. Some persons are not patient enough. They went to court. They should exhaust all legal procedures till Supreme Court so decide. That is my take on this matter.